How to make a YouTube playlist. First, sign into YouTube with your username and password. Select a video you would like to add to your playlist and click the plus sign underneath the video and then click Create a new playlist. Enter a name for your playlist and use the drop down arrow to select whether you would like the playlist to be public, unlisted or private. If you've added student videos to your YouTube playlist, we advise unlisted, as only users who know the URL address can view it. Then press Create. The video will be automatically entered to your playlist. To add to your playlist, click the plus sign underneath your YouTube video. Then select your playlist. Tick the corresponding box. Your video will then be added to your playlist. From the Video Manager drop-down list, select Playlists. Find the playlist you want and then click Edit. This takes you to your playlist settings. Here's the two videos that I've added earlier. You click the share. You can then share your playlist by copying the URL address. You can also share your playlist to social media to embed your playlist or email your playlist. In the playlist settings, this gives you the option to change settings such as the order of the videos, and you can also choose the Collaborate tab, and you can move the slider across and allow users to add to your video playlist. Copy the link provided below. This feature is especially useful for collaborative group work. To delete your playlist, press the three vertical dots and press Delete Playlist. If a video isn't appearing in an embedded playlist, it might be because the embed option has been disabled by the uploader. Private videos will also not play in a playlist unless they've been shared with you by the owner. As you can see, here is our playlist that we have created. You can delete videos from our playlist and loop our playlist and shuffle the playlist.